All you need to start is a text editor such as Sublime, Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, etc. I will be using Visual Studio Code. Link is in the description. Terminology: web page is a document on the web that is accessed in a web browser. Website: a set of related web pages located under a single domain name, typically produced by a single person or organization. Domain: a distinct subset of the Internet with addresses sharing a common suffix or under the control of a particular organization or individual, such as .com. Domain name: the part of a network address that identifies it as belonging to a particular domain, such as google.com. What will we be learning about? HTML hypertext markup language is a text-based approach to describing how content contained within an HTML file is structured. This markup tells a web browser how to display text, images, and other forms of multimedia on a web page. Think of it like a skeleton. CSS is a styling language used for specifying the presentation and styling of a document written in a markup language such as HTML. CSS is a cornerstone technology of the World Wide Web, alongside HTML and JavaScript. Think of it as a skin. JavaScript, often abbreviated as JS, is a programming language and core technology of the web, alongside HTML and CSS. 99% of websites use JavaScript on the client side. We also call it front-end for web page behavior. PHP is a general-purpose scripting language primarily designed for web development. Typically, PHP code is processed on a web server, which is why it is classified as a backend language. It is commonly used to interact with databases. Additionally, PHP can also be utilized for various programming tasks outside the web context, such as creating standalone graphical applications and controlling drones. C# is a general-purpose high-level programming language supporting multiple paradigms. C# encompasses static typing, strong typing, lexically scoped, imperative, declarative, functional, generic, object-oriented, class-based, and component-oriented programming disciplines. But you don't need to remember all of that right now. .NET is an open-source platform for building desktop, web, and mobile applications that can run natively on any operating system. The .NET system includes tools, libraries, and languages that support modern, scalable, and high-performance software development. React, also known as React.js, is a free and open-source front-end JavaScript library that aims to make building user interfaces based on components more seamless. Bootstrap is a free and open-source CSS framework directed at responsive, front-end web development. It contains HTML, CSS, and optionally JavaScript-based design templates for typography, forms, buttons, navigation, and other interface components. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.